Good morning student. I am your bio teacher and in this video we are going to study about the blood platelets. In previous video already I am explain about that the blood have a two part. One is the plasma, it is a liquid part, and another is a cellular elements. And in the cellular elements there are three types of the cells which is present in the blood. RBC, red blood cell, and white blood cell. Already we have studied in details in our last video, and in this video we are study about that platelets. Now I am explaining some characteristics of the platelets. Platelets is the cellular elements which is present in the blood, and the main function of the platelets is the clotting of the blood. Got it? First is the platelets are also called as thrombocytes. Thrombocytes. You know that RBC is called as erythrocytes, WBC is called as leukocytes, and the platelets are also called as thrombocytes. Got it, everybody? The platelets are minute, very small. The platelets are minute and round or oval in shape. The size of platelets are very small in size. The platelets are non-nucleated. Platelets are non-nucleated. Got it, everybody? Fourth point of the platelets. Platelets is very small and platelets are floating inside the blood. Platelets are floating inside the blood. And platelets are formed. The platelets are produced in bone marrow. We have seen the RBC and WBC both are formed in the bone marrow, liver, spleen. The platelets also form in the bone marrow. The lifespan of platelets are 3 to 5 days. We have seen the RBC is a lifespan of RBC is 120 days, and the lifespan of WBC is 2 weeks, and the lifespan of platelets are 3 to 5 days. The platelets are 2 lakh to 4 lakh per millimeter cube of the blood in adult. And where it is destroyed, the platelets are destroyed. It destroy in spleen. Spleen is the lymphatic organ. When I am explaining you what is mean by lymph and lymphatic organ, that times I am explain about that what is mean by spleen, what is the function, and where it is the location. Got it, everybody? And the main function of the platelets is the clotting of the blood. When our body is injured, our skin will be cut. That times the plates are secrete the substance is called as thrombokinase. Thrombokinase, it is very important enzymes which is secreted by the injured platelets. Got it, everybody? What is the characteristics of the platelets? Platelets are also called as thrombocytes. Platelets are minute, very small in size, round and oval in shape. The platelets are non-nucleated. Platelets are floating inside the blood. Platelets produce in the bone marrow, and platelets lifespan of the platelets is 3 to 5 days, and in the platelets are 2 lakhs to 4 lakh per millimeter cube of the blood. And where it is destroyed? It is destroyed into the spleen. And what is the main function of the blood? Main function of the platelets, clotting. Clotting of the blood. It is also called as coagulation. And the main substance which is secreted by the platelets, the main substance which is secreted by the platelets is called as thrombokinase. Thrombokinase. It is also called as thromboplastin. Thromboplastin. Got it, everybody? Now we are study about that the main function of the platelets is a clotting of blood. Now we are study in details how does the blood clot. Clotting, it is a one kind of the process, clotting of blood. It is also called as coagulation. Coagulation. I will teach you with the help of diagram how does the bloods are clot. Clot means our blood is a liquid, and when our skin will be cut, the bloods are escaped from our skin. That times it is a liquid, but after few minutes it convert into the solid and the bleeding will be stopped. This process is called as a clotting of blood. Then how does it clot? I will explain with the help of diagram. When I am explaining about that the plasma, some plasma is a liquid part of the blood, some organic substance, inorganic salt and the proteins which is present in the plasma. That times I told you clotting factors. The two main clotting factors is responsible for clotting of the blood. I will explain with the help of diagram. Let's see. This is the injured cell. These platelets, it is a platelets. When the cell, for example, this is your blood vessel, it deep cut and the blood come out. Blood come out. The injured cell release enzyme. This is called as the thrombokinase. Thrombokinase. It is also called as the thromboplastin. It is also called as the factor X factor. Got it, everybody? How does the process is going on? When our skin will be cut, that times the injured cell which is present on the injured part of the body, they release the enzymes. It is called as thrombokinase. And I told you in the plasma already present some clotting factors and calcium. In plasma present calcium ion. In plasma present calcium ion. Two substance, prothrombin and fibrinogen. The two substance, this is a clotting factor. These two substance already present in the plasma. Already it is both two substance are present in the plasma, but it is in a inactive state. Both are present in the plasma, but it is in inactive state. When the cell will be injured, their platelets are secrete the enzyme is called as thrombokinase. It is also called as the smart factor X factor thromboplastin. With the help of calcium ion, the thrombokinase convert the prothrombin into thrombin. Thrombokinase help of the calcium ion, prothrombin which is already present in our plasma but it is in a inactive state. The thrombokinase convert the prothrombin into the thrombin, and thrombin is the active substance. Thrombin, fibrinogen, it is also present in our plasma. It is also in inactive form, but when the thrombin react with the fibrinogen with the help of calcium ion. The fibrinogen is converted into the fibrin, and fibrin is a thread-like structure. It is a solid, sticky thread-like structure. Fibrin is a sticky thread, and these threads are gathered where the cut, and it is a lock these blood vessels, and blooding is a stop. Got it, everybody? What is the process of coagulation? Again, I will explain you. The main function of platelets is the clotting of blood. Clotting means the liquid blood is converted into the solid, means गड़ जाना, solid पूरा. जब blood हमारे skin से जब bleeding cut हो जाती है skin, तो blood बाहर आता है. After a few minutes, the blood solid में convert हो जाता है. तो ये process कैसे होती है? This process is called as the clotting of blood, coagulation. I told you prothrombin and fibrinogen, these two substances already present in our blood plasma. It is called as the clotting factors. Already it is present in our blood. Some calcium inorganic salt is also present in our blood. I told you. But when the cells are injured, our skin will be cut. That times the blood come out our skin. The injured cell which is present on your wound, there is a platelets, and platelets are secrete the thrombokinase. It is act as a enzyme. Thrombokinase, it is act as a enzyme. And these thrombokinase help of calcium ion convert the prothrombin in inactive, convert into the thrombin. It is a active substance. And these active substance react with the fibrinogen. Fibrinogen is also inactive state present in our plasma, but when the thrombin with calcium ion react with fibrinogen, it convert into the fibrin, and fibrin is the sticky thread-like structure. There is our blood vessel, platelets, RBC, WBC, all are present, and these fibrins are make a stick. These are gathered on the cut side, and they are stop the blood. This is a fibrin. Fibrin is a sticky thread-like substance, and which is gathered on the wherever cut our skin. Got it, everybody? This process is called as the coagulation, and platelets is the main function in our body. It is the clotting of blood. Got it, everybody? What is mean by platelets? What is the structure of platelets? What is the function of platelets? Where it is produced? What is the lifespan? Where it is destroyed? And which factors? Which is the clotting factors? Prothrombin and fibrinogen. Two clotting factors already present in our plasma. And when our skin cut, their platelets are secrete the enzyme. This is called as the thrombokinase. And these thrombokinase help with the calcium ion convert the inactive prothrombin into the thrombin, and this thrombin is in active state, and thrombin is convert inactive fibrinogen into the fibrin, and fibrin is a sticky thread-like substance, and this sticky thread-like structure is a plug into the cut skin, and they stop the bleeding. Got it, everybody? This process is called as the coagulation. In my next video, I will explain you the blood transfusion. Got it, everybody? What is mean by platelets? It is also called as the thrombocytes. Thank you.